Is your Ford Escape refusing to start? We've got the solution. First off, check the basics. Is the battery old? If it's over 3 years, it might just be time for a new one. Otherwise, you might have a simple connection issue. Pop the hood and look for corrosion on the battery terminals. That gunky white stuff, it can block power. Clean it with a wire brush and baking soda mix. Still no luck? Grab a multimeter and test the battery voltage. It should read around 12.6 volts. If it's lower, the battery might need a charge or replacement. Next, check your alternator. Start the engine and test the voltage again. It should read about 13.5 to 14.5 volts. If not, the alternator might be the culprit. Lastly, inspect the battery cables. Make sure they're tight and not frayed. Loose or damaged cables can stop your Ford Escape from starting. So remember, check the age, clean the terminals, test the voltage, inspect the alternator, and secure the cables. That's it. Now you're ready to get back on the road. Keep these tips in mind, and your Ford Escape will stay powered up.